since July 2023, we have been selling in the US a product with a domestic bill of materials that historically has had glass, solar cells, and ribbon imported. We now have complementary to Indian-made cells that are imported, domestic-made cells made in Georgia by Saniva, which is the only cell manufacturer in the US today, and ribbon, which is from Vietnam.
Yeah.
So ribbon will start being made in the US by May, but if it's not May, it's June of 2025. Therefore, that will not be imported. As I said, cells are now made in the US. Saniva is making them. Heliene is incorporating them into their modules. Glass continues to be imported, whether it's China, Malaysia, or India. Then for that, the investment is very high, right? So to build up a glass furnace, the investment is even for the smallest of possible furnaces, almost $400 million. For that reason, that is taking longer. There are a couple of projects right now in the US. Solar Cycle in Georgia is one of those. The soonest they will be in production is late 26 or early 27, provided they can close financing in the next few months. And the other one in Alabama is Canadian Premium Sons. Canadian Premium Sons is working on basically adapting an existing glass factory to make solar glass. And that's also a few hundreds of millions, and that will not be in place before mid 2026.